the mission to Mars is on the verge of becoming a reality. Our work centers on the challenge of creating a habitat for the first crew to arrive on Mars.
Hi, my name is Melody Ishwar from Space Exploration Architecture.
And I am Nikita from Episcope. Together, we are participating in NASA's Phase 3 3D-Printed Habitat Challenge to design and build a future Mars habitat.
The design, called Mars X House, will be 3D printed at 1/3 scale using Apis Coarse concrete 3D printer. The printing will happen during a live demonstration hosted by NASA at Caterpillar's facilities in Peoria, Illinois. We've already completed several rounds of testing and prototyping. In the future, 3D printers will be deployed to the Moon and to Mars to construct structures for human habitation. Our goal is to print the entire habitat autonomously, without human intervention. We need your support to pass 3 tests: a smoke leakage test, impact test, and crush test to show the durability of our structure.
Support our campaign and help us advance NASA's vision to build human habitats on Mars.
Together, we are propelling a vision of future living on the Red Planet and the development of technologies for living in outer space.